Bhabha Atomic Research Center has published a notification for the recruitment of stipendiary training and technician vacancies. Some people have a dream of getting a job in various popular government or government undertaking sector like DRDO, ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Navy, Air Force, etc. So today in this video, I am going to show you what are the various posts and how to apply for this post. Watch this video till the end and don't miss any important steps. Hello friends, this is Somin here and you are watching Government Jobs Query. Here we publish any type of latest job notification and brief discussion and step-by-step online process. Before going to this video, if you are new in this channel, then subscribe our channel and don't turn on the notification bell for future news update. Let's see the notification, guys. This is the official website of Bhabha Atomic Research Center. I will give you the website link into the description box. If you go to the career opportunity tab and click on recruitment, this career portal will open and here you can get all new notification and upcoming notification. Here you can see this advertisement and this is our targeted notification. If you click here, the notification will open and here it is mentioned that the opening date is 15 December and the closing date is 31st January 2021. If you see, you can see here two type of categories are there. Stipendiary training category 1, group B post, and the total number of vacancy 50, and stipendiary training category 2, group C post, total number of vacancy 106. As you can see, trade, discipline and category wise vacancy breakup is given. In case of stipendiary category 1, other than chemistry discipline, you must have to pass diploma in respective field with 60% marks in aggregate. If you have passed BSc in chemistry having 60% marks with physics and mathematics subject, then you can apply for this chemistry discipline. In case of stipendiary trainee category 2, you have to pass all the required educational qualification mentioned here. This category actually for ITI candidate. You read this section once. Video is going long, so I am skipping this part. Next is age. The maximum and minimum age requirement for category 1 is minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is 24 years. For category 2, minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is 22 years. And according to the government normalization, ST/SC candidates will get the maximum of 5 years age relaxation and OBC candidate will get 3 years age relaxation. Next is selection process. All the candidates of category 1 will be selected through 2 stages. Stage 1 is preliminary test examination of 1 hour duration comprised of 40 MCQ type questions. In case of category 2, the selection process will consist of 3 stages. Stage 1 preliminary test with 1 hour duration consists of 50 MCQ type question, and stage 2 advanced test comprised of 50 MCQ type question in their respective trade, and the examination duration is 2 hours. And the next is stage 3. Stage 3 is skill test. Now this is one kind of interview, you can say. After passing all these selection process, the selected candidate will be given training at Tarapur or Kalapakkam, and the stipend structure is given here. Category 1 16,000 for first year and 18,000 for second year. Category 2 10,500 for first year and 12,500 for second year. Once your training period gets completed, depending on your performance during the training period, you will be posted these permanent posts. Now I am showing the application process step by step. Come back to this page and click here to apply online. And then click on sign up button. Once you click on sign up button, a registration form will open, and fill up all the details very carefully. Enter your email address, enter your name, enter your date of birth, enter your state of birth. Are you registered under employment exchange? Then put your screen capture over here and click on register button. Once you press the registration button, your registration process will be completed and this page will appear. Dear Soumen Pradhan, you have registered successfully and the login information has been sent to your registered email ID. Go to your mail ID and check the details. After registration, click on login button. Login with your email address and your password. Once you log in, you have to change your login password. Once you change your login password, this page will open, and go to the online application section and click on apply online. Here select the advertisement number, select the post name, in which post you want to apply. And click on submit. Here fill up the application form very carefully. Enter your Aadhaar number, enter your name, enter your nationality, enter your religion, enter your gender, enter your marital status, enter your caste, if you are belonging economical weaker section, then click on yes, otherwise no. Are you domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir during the period from 1st January 1980? Then click on yes or no, otherwise no. Are you a family member of those who died in 1984 riot? If it is applicable for you, then click on yes, otherwise no. If you are marital sports person, then click yes, otherwise click on no. Then click on save draft. Then click on continue. After that, here give your address for correspondence, give your city name, give your district, select your state and put your PIN number here, and then put your mobile number over here. If your permanent address is same as address for correspondence, then click on this checkbox. If any relative of yours already employed in Bhabha Atomic Research Center, then you can give the details of that person over here. Otherwise, press the continue button. Here you have to give your all educational and professional qualification details, and if you are currently studying in a course, then you have to provide the details of that course over here. And if you have work experience, then you have to provide the details of employer over here. After selecting all the details, after providing all the details, click on continue button. After clicking the continue button, you will be redirected to this page, and here you will be asked for upload the photograph and your signature. Upload your photograph and signature. Maximum size of photograph can be 40 KB, and the maximum size of signature also can be 40 KB. After successfully uploaded the photo and signature, click on continue button. Here you can see your preview of your application form. Check all the details carefully, and then you have to pay the application fees, and click on make payment. Continue to SBI UPay for payment. Fill up all the details about your debit card or credit card and tap on pay now button, and you will be finished. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. If you face any kind of problem, feel free to comment in the comment box, and bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.